Okay, today it's around 10:34, September the 15th, 2019, and the map here, Northeast NOAA, Northeast Water Vapor Lab map is showing plenty of moisture coming in, and we got zero rain today. The reason for that was all this. This is a panorama view of the north, west to east. And in the morning, we had 87% humidity and nothing but chemtrails. Those are not real clouds. That's the east. That's the west. And the south. And no rain. Just chemtrails. As you can see, this is the 12 o'clock map. Mode is today. There's Long Beach. This is LA. This is the clouds coming in, and this is the chemtrails on top. So by 12 o'clock, according to the Rothschilds, we had 33% humidity. Can you? Okay, that's 33% humidity. No rain, and you have these separating systems that could bring in, everything's being pushed. This is bullshit. High pressure, here's Hurricane Kiko. By blasting that, you can see on the outside, but keeping it far away from Los Angeles, thanks to those weather derivatives. And you can tell right here, today's weather history. Take a look at the humidity. That's the 15th. So we go all the way in the morning. They're saying it was 87. I had 76, but as you go through the day, it drops to 45% by the afternoon. Are you kidding me? That's 45%, and it was hot or warm. It should have been cool and rainy, but we didn't get that. We just got chemtrails bone dry. Here you can take a look. See any change? It's just covering the sky, salting overhead. That's the south. The afternoon, and by the evening, that's the north, the east, the west. I do apologize I couldn't get you a sunset photo, and south. So that's a low level plane. This is out 30,000 square feet, 30,000 feet above 30K, and that's not emitting any contrail because it's so damn dry. So that's what we get. Absolutely no rain. Hell, even Nevada didn't get rain. How the hell did that happen there? The entire state is washed in that blessed vapor, and they got no rain. So, just a reminder, we don't want to rain out the Rams versus Saints or whoever was here today. That would be bad for the economy. So no rain for us, just chemtrails. Enjoy the view.